Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 3. Welcome to your next English class. Students, as we are going to study our Oxford Progressive English book, in the previous video we have completed the lesson 1 of the unit 2. Today we are going to move lesson 2 of the unit 2. What is the lesson 2? Words. In this lesson we are going to learn some words. And what are these words? Building materials. ओके व्हाट आर दीज वर्ड्स अबाउट बिल्डिंग मटीरियल्स, यानी कि ऐसे मटीरियल्स जो कि बिल्डिंग में यानी कि तामीरात में काम आते हैं, चीज़ों की कंस्ट्रक्शन में काम आते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, listen to your teacher and point to the building materials, then listen again and repeat the words. Okay, first of all you have to listen these words, then I'm going to show you some common examples of such materials. Wood, stone, steel, plastic, bricks and glass. Students, in our daily life we see many things which are made up of these materials. For example, first of all a word was wood. You know, many things that are present in our classrooms or in our bedrooms or at our house are made up of the wood. If you come to your class, you can see that there are some chairs. So this chair is made up of wood. Okay, it is a type of wood. The table you can see is also made up of wood. The pencils that you can see here are also made up of the wood. Another material is stone. Students, you can see that this little vase is made up of stone. This marble is a type of a stone. We use stones in many of our daily routine objects. This is an example of a glass. You can use this. You can see the use of the glass in your daily routine crockeries or your windows or your doors. You can see the usage of glass. This ruler is an example of a steel. I hope you all must have this kind of ruler, and this ruler is a material, and this material is called steel. This wall that you can see is made up of brick. So many of the buildings are made up of the bricks. Brick is also a building material that is used in building houses and walls and lot of different kinds of places. Okay students, I hope now you have understood that how these materials are used in our daily life, but today we are going to learn their usage in the building materials, means they are used in the buildings. Okay, come to the exercise number 2. Use the new words from exercise 1 to complete the sentences. We have to use these new words in these blanks, okay, wherever they are suitable. Example is given: old bridges are made of stone or wood. यानी कि जो पुरानी ब्रिजेस होती थी, ब्रिज का मतलब क्या होता है? पुल. ठीक है, किससे बनी होती थी? स्टोन और वुड. कम टू नंबर 1. टुडे लॉन्ग ब्रिजेस आर मेड ऑफ. आजकल जो बड़ी बड़ी ब्रिजेस होती हैं, बड़ी बड़ी जो पुल होती हैं, वो बनाई जाती हैं स्टील से. यू कैन सी द स्टील इन द पिक्चर. ओके, सो लेट्स राइट हियर स्टील. नंबर 2. हाई बिल्डिंग्स आर मेड ऑफ डैश. दे आरंट मेड ऑफ डैश. हाई बिल्डिंग्स यानी कि बहुत जो ऊंची ऊंची इमारतें होती हैं, वो किसकी बनी हुई होती हैं? स्टील की. दे आरंट मेड ऑफ वुड. वो इस वुड की नहीं बनी हुई होती. नंबर 3. फार्म हाउसेज आर यूजुअली मेड ऑफ डैश. फार्म हाउसेज आर यूजुअली मेड अप ऑफ ब्रिक्स. नंबर 4. विंडोज आर मेड ऑफ डैश डैश or dash and glass, of course. Now students, look at the windows at your home. What are these made up of? They can be made up of wood. कुछ windows wood की बनी हुई होती हैं. Sometimes they are made up of the steel and sometimes they are made up of the plastic. Number 5. A small hen house is usually made up of. hen house means hen के रहने के लिए जो छोटा सा हाउस बनाया जाता है वो किसका बना हुआ होता है? वुड का. Okay students, I hope now you have completely understood the building materials. I hope you all know what are these building materials, as I also showed you in the video. Let's come across these words once again. Wood, stone, steel, plastic, bricks and glass. Okay, so guess here now. Glass, plastic, wood, stone, steel and the bricks that you have seen before. Okay students, I will wind up my video now. You all are instructed to fill in these blanks on your book page number 7. Do your homework properly and regularly on time. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.